John's blood sugar silently affecting his body, but his doctor gave him hope.
Fortunately, this number can improve and transform
His future. John saw his home with new eyes. Every snack was a reminder. Habits had shaped his health. But he wasn't defeated, taking it one better choice at a time. Breaking old habits is never easy. But John made one healthy decision after another. He monitored his blood sugar and stayed consistent. Those small choices became lifelong habits. Week after week, the changes grew. John had more energy each morning. Climbing stairs no longer left him exhausted. Wasn't simply improving a number on enjoy life again.
I'm proud of you.
We did it.
Congratulations, John.
Consistency is the real medicine. Better health happens because of hundreds of small choices. Every walk and every healthy meal matters. Your HbA1c is a reflection of the habits you build over time.